Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh by Hashem, Yahweh Shai by Hashem Akakadash. Shalom to the elders, wa Akim wa Akwaf, and I say Shalom. This is a news article from the JerusalemPost.com by the Jerusalem Post app, published not January, I meant to say June the 3rd, 2024, last updated June the 3rd, 2024, and it reads, 12 people killed in an airstrike targeting a copper factory in Hian in northern Syria. It says reports were received of an airstrike targeting a copper factory in the area of city of Hian in the northern Syria. Can news report on Monday night. News reported Monday overnight on the social media X, which is formerly known Twitter. It says, according to the later report of Arabic media, Social Defense Ministry announced 12 people were killed in the attack. In addition, the ministry further stated that the airstrike came from southeast and targeted multiple areas in the region. This is the book of 2nd Ezra 15, verse 15. For the sword and the destruction draweth nigh, one people should stand up and fight against another with swords in their hands. Especially over there as of lately, we've been seeing increasing cross-border conflicts between the Israeli defense, the Israeli Defense Force against the Syrian armies and the pro-Iranian groups and the Iranian Revolutionary Guard Corps as well too, because you've been having the Israeli Defense Force using airstrikes over there in those facilities, in those facility areas, which is backed by those nations or armies that I just mentioned, So you're gonna have that intensifying, increasing cross-border conflicts between the nations, and that's what we've been seeing as of lately. In one of those prime examples, the Israeli Defense Force against the Syrian armies, against the proxy war armies over there as well too, and the pro-Iranian groups over there as well too. So you're gonna see that continual increasing cross-border conflict between the borders of Israel, the borders of Lebanon, the borders over there in Syria, and throughout the Western Asia areas. This escalation is only going to build up more and more. That's just prime examples. I just wanted to add an additional note to that. 2nd Ezra 15 verse 15, I'm going to read it again. For the sword and their destruction draweth nigh, one people should stand up and fight against another with swords in their hands. 2nd Ezra 15 verse 16, for there should be sedition among men, invading one another. They shall not regard their kings nor their princes, and the course of their actions to stand in their power. And this is the book of 2nd Ezra, chapter 9 and verse 3. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars in the people of the world. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of this recent news article from the Jerusalem Post by the Jerusalem Post app as of June the 3rd, 2024, and last updated June the 3rd, 2024, and it reads again. 12 people killed in an airstrike targeting a copper factory in Hian in northern northern Syria. I meant to say report, according to the report. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh by Hashem, Yahweh Shai by Hashem Akakadash. Barakatham to the elders, wa Akim wa Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And the Heavenly Father, the true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, and the name Hamashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the last one, Kadash, the whole tongue. Till next time, I will say Shalom.